Good morning, everybody. This is Joni. I just came downstairs. I just thought I'd show you our open stairwell and how I come down, and I'll show you my craft room. This will just be kind of a quick video. The pieces that you see that are white, the one way over here on the wall, and then there's another one right there, and another one right there. The two smaller ones have caster wheels on them, so I can push them around a little bit, which is really nice. Anyway, this is where I come down, and this is the rest of the little room. It's just a family room on the lower level, but it has windows that are above ground, so it's very light in here. It's just, as you can see, it's really pretty. That big ottoman there is where the puppies sit when they are asleep. When I'm working, they come down. Got toys all over the place here. Anyway, that's the other part of the room, but this is where I come down, and then back in here, there's a gate, and then if you go in this area and take a right, you'll go into the storage room area and the extra bedroom and extra bathroom for the guests. And in the storage room, I have a lot of my things packed in there for clay, for whatever. So I mention that once in a while. That's why I pointed it out to you. So let's just walk around really quick, and I'll show you what I'm doing. This is the light, obviously, that I use. And then this cool thing right here holds my camera, the black one, but it broke. And I'm going to come around here now, and I'm going to show you. So I had to tape it around here, and I just got this maybe a month ago, so that's a little bit irritating, but it was only $20, so I suppose that's why. But I lay my phone right here when I do videos, and then I can have it right over my work area, and I'll show those to you later. Okay, anyway, there's a lot of things right over here. It's all organized to my liking anyway. There's my tools, some of my bead findings in there, and then back here I have, what is it? It's my glitters, embossing powders, that kind of a thing, on a tray. I'll come back around and show you that. And here's my tools, and there's my actual phone. Let me push that off. The phone I'm holding is one I used to use. It's bigger, and I actually like it better, so I may have to switch back to it. The smaller phone over there I got as a that one freebie when we signed up for a certain service. So of course I got my Kleenex there, and here's my baby wipes too, and a glass of water, and some beads I was working with. And here we go. There you can see my findings a little bit better there. I love this tray. I got it on the internet. It's one of those OXO brand things. I think it's more for food or for whatever, but I use it for this. And then of course I got, let's turn this way so you can see some colors. There we go. And this is just a little turntable, an OXO turntable too. That always helps. And this is a big OXO turntable. Nice piece of, I thought it was fuzz, but it's not. So I can get to whatever tools I need. I do have a magnifying glass. It just doesn't work very well for me. It's kind of scratched up too. I really need some magnifying glasses I can put on. And then I think I'll eventually get that. But you see, there's my processor for my clay, when I make clay. There's my cute little penguin I made some months ago. I've got a few things in those little cups, those little yogurt cups that I really need to finish. He's one of them. And let's see here, what else was I going to show you? Well, come back here. I'll show you this little cupboard. It's got all kinds of drawers. I love it. And all kinds of drawers. One of the best purchases I've made. So, let's see here. This is my UV light or lamp that I cure my resin in. I got two big, huge, I think they're Gerber daisies maybe? I'm not sure. I think so. My son, my older son Ryan, gave me the most gorgeous bouquet for Mother's Day, and had these huge, let me put my hand in here and show you how big they are. They're really big. They're so beautiful. Anyway, I dried them out, and I'm going to resin those. So I laid them there, and this is just a little project I've got going right now, so I put my extras there. Okay, my gloves. so forth. And this is the view I have when I'm sitting at my desk and working. Oh, so that's it. I know sometimes you kind of wonder where people work and what they do, and hopefully this will be really quick. And I keep a lot of my clay things over here, a lot of my bead things over here, and I have this little tiny one up here. I keep my orders in that. So the orders I make and I buy. And these two little things, that one and that one, there's ink in there, there's felt. I should move this, brought this out. On the top there's just actually 2 glue guns. These are side-by-side glue guns and glue sticks. And over here are some of my my pocket planters that I've made. Some still have to be finished. These up here need to be finished. Oh, I don't just love that bird one. I love this. I'm not done with him yet. And there's another birdie one over there. I'm not done with that one either. And that big leaf right there, right here. I'm not done with that. Okay. And have you seen my really pretty big picture up there? Isn't that pretty? And there I am. Hi. Over here I have a mess. I have a mess of my head pins. I had put all of them in one drawer one time, and it was a mess. Every time I picked one out, I stuck myself. So I'm in the process of going through a bunch of them I already have and separating them out to make it neater. And there's just some jewelry things I've made just lately. This is just a little fall bracelet there, little tile earrings there, some more tile earrings, and that's just a Coriana chain. Oh, I love that chain. Wendy Whitman on YouTube, she sells that chain. She's such a good beater. I love watching her. She lives in Florida now, and she goes out and collects shells. Anyway, I ordered some tiny little shells, not from her, but I ordered some, and then I put some ink on them and sealed them. And these are shells too. So yeah, so that is that. And back there, as I said, is the, let's see, I'll just go around the corner so you can see. This is a picture that my brother drew when he was in 9th grade. Isn't that phenomenal? Oofda, love it. And back here, there's a puzzle my husband put together. We kind of did it together, but he did most of it. When COVID first hit, we were confined to the house. That door right there is my storage room. We won't go back there. But if you go back here and you go take a right around the corner, there's a bathroom and a guest bedroom right there. So when I say go back to the storage room, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump. Yeah, hop, skip, and a jump from where I sit. And that's where I sit. So that'll do it for the moment. I will get this up. I actually did a video yesterday, early, and I did a tour of my craft room, a little bit more detailed. And it just would not load. It would not load, and it still hasn't loaded. I made one after that, and that little short one did load. By the way, that little short one, you will notice that, let me just come around here. You will notice the short one, I've done close-ups that are way too close. They're just way too close. So, I've learned from that, and I'll back off a little bit when I do beading. You don't need to be that close. Shows my very chapped hands, too. Okay, and then this is the stairwell. I'll come up and go upstairs. Yeah, that's the kitchen you see up there. All right, that's it. I hope you have a blessed day, and I will hopefully post another video later. God bless you.